Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create password protected PowerPoint presentation. Sometimes people would like to make the password protected for their presentation. In this situation, how they can do this? Let's learn how you can do this. In this presentation I would like to make the password protected. First I have to go to File, then we have to go to Info tab. Then you have to click on the Protect Presentation button. It will be open the drop down for the various options. Here you have to click on the encrypt with password. So you have to enter the password what you would like to protect this presentation. Here I have to add the password. So here you have to provide the secure password. So once you have provided the secure password, then you have to click on the OK button. It will be open the confirm password. So again you have to provide the password what you already provided. That's it. Now your presentation has been set for the protected with password. So once close this presentation, now again we have to open this presentation. It will be asking for the password. So you have to provide the password what you already provided. Now the presentation has been opened. So in this way you can create the password protected PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.